Hey guys, it is Bumsy, your girl, and welcome to yet another market vlog. I am heading to Idumota Market, in fact, specifically Orican Market, to go and do my monthly grocery shopping. You guys know how I do it. This video has been a long time coming. So many things have been a hindrance for me not going to the market. If it's not that my area is flooded or I'm so busy, you guys know that I got into training this season, so my life is just extremely busy. I'd called my labor woman at this point, but she's been under the weather, so she's in the market, but she was not gonna, she already arranged some people that will help me. I'd got into the market here. You guys know that I park at UBA car park, so I was just heading into the car park to get my tickets. In fact, the market was so full today. I was like, what are people doing here? And I met a wonderful subscriber. But welcome back again. Hey guys, good morning, rather good afternoon. The traffic I beat to come here. You guys, I came to do my market shopping very late because I have been very busy. You guys know that I am back into training academy for my business, KK events and decor, and so I've been so choked up and been so busy. That's why this market vlog is even coming late. I've been so busy, but I'm here with Chacha. Even had to leave me and go to the market, but she wants to buy shoe for her son's graduation and some other things, so she even just hopped in and let's just go together to the market today. But yeah, the market is so full. Today's market is going to be jump in and jump out because I have somewhere to be and I quickly want to do this market, so that I will just drive to where I'm supposed to go and see my clients. And yeah, maybe I'll even change. I carried a wig back so that I can change my hair. No, hopefully I'm even happy because when we're coming, rain was falling, and now I can see that rain did not even fall here at all. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this market vlog today. Don't forget to like my video, share and subscribe. Apart from just subscribing, like it so that it can be recommended, and then comment down in the comment section if you enjoyed the video today. So let's just head into the market and start shopping. I'll see you guys as the video progresses, and wait till the end of the video because that's where I tell you guys how much I bought each item and how much I spent in the market today. So let's get shopping. Let me pack and get. Yes guys, I found a lucky space. See how full the market is. Immediately I just came down from the car, I heard my name. I was like, who knows me? And then a subscriber ran to me with her mom. I don't even know the place I'm trying to. Oh, I saw your mom the last time. Oh, I saw your mom the last time. Oh, you guys again. You guys, I met a subscriber here. I had met her mom in like two market vlogs back, and I'm meeting her here again. Oh, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you, Mama. I had met you. See the face. I met her 2 weeks ago, and I'm seeing her again. My subscribers are fine. Thank you. I love that I have this beautiful community. I mean, it's a community, not a fan base. But yeah, we're heading into the market right now. And I stopped by my guy that sells the sweetest habanero pepper I've ever tasted. And I stopped to get habanero pepper from him. Man, ginger is gold in the market. Oh, hey. If you see ginger I bought for 3,000, unbelievable. So I want to make zobo this weekend, so I bought pineapple. I proceeded to also buy watermelons and many other fruits as well that I saw in his shade because it was a lot cheaper for me. I also bought yam from this particular guy. There is no yam in the market. Oh, yam is literally growing in the market. In fact, that is giving me an idea. I need to make yam and beans. But yeah, after we're done with this section, we quickly headed into the market to now start shopping. I also bought okra too as well. It's been long we've had okra soup, so I intend to make okra too as well this weekend. You guys watch out for that vlog. Cooking vlog is coming up. We started running into this market. At this point, it started raining. Guys, it started raining heavily, like it's about to start raining. I now enjoy snacking on tiger nut a lot. In fact, we used to call it Akia then. But yeah, I told this man to put me 2,000 words. In fact, the cup that you could see, that Derica cup, he was calling it 2,000. But I told him to put me the other one. He says 500. You should put it in 4 places. And it ended up even being bigger than what I wanted. But yeah, I'm entering into the market. The rain has started heavily here, and my provision woman, hey, her shade was closed though, but she was willing to open it up for me to start my video. Every time my customers they say, you want to do the video, let's go. The rain is too much, guys. The rain is too much. Oh yeah, oats. Put oats for me. Hold on. I want Nutribomb. I finished up quickly and started heading to my lady that I buy Ribena from to quickly just buy Ribena because the rain was much. You guys, buy Ribena from Mama's place. I was heading now down to the lady I buy cleaning items for, but she wasn't there, so I bought from another person today. No, bring 2 of this one. 2. Give me 4 of the big one. Different flavors. My customer usually buy cleaning items. She didn't come today, so she's not feeling fine. So I have a new customer. My love, is everything? I'm going to check her place. I don't know you are here. This is the change. Keep on, I will go in and buy corn. So I'm just trying to sort out what they call it. I think we have washing hands. I proceeded to my lady that I buy my spices from, and I got done with her as well. As I was heading out of the market, I saw these guys entertaining. I said, let me even video to entertain my subscribers too. I stopped to also buy Zobo leaves. I mentioned earlier that I intend to make Zobo this weekend, so I bought this one. Anyways, come with me to the end of the vlog. You know how much I got it. I saw this bird come. The thing was just calling my name. I could not resist. Like, it was hot. With Pierre. Oh! Come to me, I'm picking up my things. My love is not feeling fine. My love, on your face. My love is not feeling fine. My love, where they come? For those of you that are always wondering, what's an alabaro man? It means carrier, like people that help you carry your load in the market. Well, see, the person that wants to stress me. I told him I'm running late. I saw him in the back. I said, you should follow me. Come, let's be going. I didn't even have time to bring up my phone and video. Now he's calling me. Bros! She go carry. You don't want to go where?
Go that place.
What's here, beg? More stars.
This one plenty.
What's he go pack everything? So I'm saying this one plenty.
I know we buy everything. The big one.
What's he don't they add weight to?
I know where I go. I demand it.
You still know where? What's he?
I just demand it.
As your belly be like this, still know where?
We don't go down.
Ah, that's so. What's they argue? Pack my meat. Cut and pack them. You even don't slice and say, pack my meat. What's they argue today? I know they argue. What's they argue? I don't get strength to argue. Now even check out when they delay me, I know they argue. I get person where I need to go meet. What's they argue with you today? Me and you know they fight anything. Pack my meat, my they go. So, that's so. What's you pack my meat?
All of them are in.
I hear you. I hear you. No wala, leave him. No wala, leave him. Today no be the day where they argue. Leave him. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I'm just sorting out and let's get into unboxing. Hypo was 3,500 each. Mama Lemon was 2,500. Swiss air fresher was 1,000 each. I bought about 4. Johnson and Johnson was 4,000. Vim was 1,000 naira. Hypo was 3,500 for each. Viva was 2,000 for one. It shocked me, but I was like, when I was buying Viva it was 1,300. But anyways, I bought this pig for 1,008. Dano was 1,003 per sachet. Dano 123 was 4,500. Dustbin Nylon was 2,000. Oats was 2,500. Golden Penny Sugar 1,300. Nutribomb was going for 2,000. I bought about 4. This grounded sugar was 2,000 naira. Cocoa Pops was 1,300 per sachet, and I bought I think about 4 sachets. Ribena for my Ribena lady was going for 3,800 naira. Choco Rings biscuits was 4,500. Indomie was 10,800. Costa biscuits was 4,500. Spaghetti was 1,000 each. Seratin tomatoes was going for 900 each. Not chicken 1,800. Not beef 1,800. Ima coconut powder was 9,900. Lasso was 700. Chicken powder was 1,500. Golden Terra oil 3,500 each. This painter of beans was 6,000 naira. This is honey beans. Onion 2 painters 6,000 naira, which means a place is 3,000. This quantity of zobo was 2,000 naira. Potato 1 painter was 3,000 naira. Bought 2. Honeywell was 8,000 naira. This sumptuous pear 1,000 naira worth. This sumptuous corn 2,000 naira worth. Okra, I bought 3,000 naira worth of okra. My sweet habanero is 2,000 naira worth in here. This is the real gold people are looking at. This tomato was 11,000 naira. Pepper was 4,500. All the vegetables you can see on this table was 10,000 naira. I bought yam. A tuber was 4,000 naira. I bought about 4 tubers. Shaki and liver and pomo, everything was about 10,000 naira. And the beef, all the beef you see here is 50,000 naira. So thank you guys for watching. I spent a total of 393,000. I'll see you guys next time.